Okay, we got ourselves a new mass airflow sensor, high tech. There's a part number here. I don't recommend these. I don't use these, but this is the only option I got. And usually I want to go motorcraft, but it is what it is. But we're gonna change this baby out. So you got two little screws, one here, one in the bottom. So let's get the bottom one out first, and then I'm gonna show you the tool that I just used right here. This is a 1/4 inch ratchet with a 2-inch extension, and I'll show you the socket, the size that you need. So once it's loose, it should come off easily. That's a little screw right there, just like the one you see over here. Same screw looking. Put it somewhere safe. You don't want to lose these babies. And let's put this guy right here. So what I use here is T20, okay, torque number 20, and we probably use a fit of Allen key on this as well, but this is fine. You can always try to clean the MAF airflow sensor. Do not lose that screw for me. Pull out this baby just like that. Very simple and easy. Over time, this thing will give up. So what we're gonna do is I want to put this somewhere safe. You never know. So I am gonna grab this new sensor here. My friend got it for me here. So it only goes the same way that we took off. Okay, so you do want to put it the same way, and you want the air to hit just like that. And remember, the connector part is facing up. If you put it this way, your connector will be facing down. So try to get it the same way. We pulled it off, and there's a seal right here at the edge here. Make sure that's there and nice and flush. Make sure it's clean. Two surfaces meet clean, and we're gonna take our little screw right here, and let's take our tool here. I want to snug this baby in, and gonna go grab the second screw. Don't lock it up all the way. Grab the second screw. Do not drop it. It's a tight little spot. Once you drop it, bada bing, bada boom, it's gone. You're never gonna find it. Okay, hand tight, nothing crazy. Don't ask me for torque spec. You don't need torque specs. So I'm gonna lock up this end, and that should do it. Lock it up, and we're gonna plug this baby in, and that's it. Bada bing, bada boom. If this does the job, there you guys have it. Bad mass airflow sensor. I've done plenty of these. Even this and this would cause and the throttle body as well. Anyways, I'm gonna take a small little break, and then we're gonna crank it up.